Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. I wanted to make a video today to share what I found to be the best way to clean auto glass, even the inside of your windshield. Now, you've probably seen other videos on YouTube on how to clean the inside of a windshield. You use a magic eraser coupled with some degreaser or an all-purpose cleaner, maybe even dish soap. You wipe it while it's dry, then you wipe it with a degreaser, and then you wipe it dry again, and then you clean it with a glass cleaner. It's like 3, 4, 5 steps to clean the inside of your windshield. And if you've got a big windshield like I do in my Silverado, then it's going to take you at least 15-20 minutes just to clean one surface of glass. But I found this amazing product from Nanoskin called Crystal Clear Glass. Now, this stuff is a VOC-free glass cleaner. It says it contains no ammonia, IPA, or other alcohol. It's safe for glass, ceramics, stainless steel, acrylics, painted surfaces, polystyrene, ABS, and polycarbonate. Now, the amazing thing about this stuff that I found is that you clean the inside of your windshield with this stuff like you would any other surface of glass. No 3, 4, 5 different steps with different cleaners and different tools. Just like you would normal, and it comes out beautiful. So it's late afternoon, the sun is setting, and you can see all the haze on the inside of my windshield. It hasn't been cleaned in quite a while. It's way overdue. So we're going to use a Chemical Guys waffle weave towel. So what I'm going to do is put 2 sprays on the top to limit the amount I get on my dash, and then put 3 sprays on my towel. Now, the bottle suggests a dilution ratio of 40:1, but through use I found that a dilution ratio of 10:1 works the best. Also, keep watching for an added bonus on how to keep your clear glass clearer longer. Now I'm going to go out and clean the outside of the glass just so you can see exactly how clear this glass is. There you have it. You can see exactly how clear that glass is. Even late afternoon, low sun, you can see there's no streaks, no more haze, and that was with one application of Crystal Clear glass cleaner from Nanoskin. Now we're going to take it a step further. We're going to put some Maguire's Express spray wax on the inside of the windshield. We're going to take a clean microfiber, another waffle weave. And what this does is put a light layer of wax on the windshield, and it will help to alleviate any further hazing or greasy griminess that gets stuck all over the inside of the windshield. I'm going to buff off. And there we have it. If you didn't know already, all that haze that gets stuck to the inside of your windshield is from a number of different sources. The biggest one is the dashboard itself. Sometimes people put those greasy Armor All interior protectant products on their dashboards, and it leaves their dashboard totally shiny and greasy to the touch. But really what that stuff is doing, as the sun beats down on it, it evaporates all over the inside of your windshield. And that's a major source of haze on the inside of your glass. Another source is you yourself. When you breathe, when you exhale, all those biological fluids get exhaled all over the inside of your glass. And that's true on your side glass also, but it's most visible on the inside of your windshield. Also, in the summertime, if you sweat a little bit, all those oils evaporate into the air and they get all over the inside of your windshield. So every few months it needs to be cleaned. And this stuff, Crystal Clear from Nanoskin, I found to be the absolute best. You can see I didn't have to do any degreasing, I didn't have to use a magic eraser. I just used one application of this stuff on a waffle weave microfiber towel, and that was it. So I hope you enjoyed this content. I hope it was helpful and useful for you. If it was, please go ahead and smash that like button down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future auto detailing content. As always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.